This video is for all my fans. I don't know, I have fans apparently. And thank you everyone who's giving me so much love. I just read a lot of posts of people who were showering some love, and thank you very much. I'm very humbled and I'm very thankful to you guys. Yeah, you even think कि मैं अच्छी हूँ, or you know. So thank you very much. I'm very, very happy. I just want to tell you all that I really, really appreciate it, and I love you all. Thank you so much for the love and appreciation. I love you guys. Thank you.
So I'm the set for Raja Janoon. So am I. But we're promoting Nama friendship. Same here. Watch Campus.
Because frankly, I look good without makeup. Beside the point. Irrelevant.
Rawalpindi John. बदतमीजी की दुकान. Hania Aamir, ladies and gentlemen.
पागल हो गई है क्या हानिया? क्यों? ये सदर का लंडा थोड़ी है. ये तो लंदन है. पागल हो गई. हानिया पागल हो गई है क्या? बेवू पे हेयर होस्टेस नहीं होती, होस्टेस होती है. पागल हो गई क्या? अरे पागल हो गई है क्या? अबे हानिया पागल हो गई है क्या? यहाँ तो दाल नहीं मिलेगी. पागल हो गई है क्या? दाल मिलेगी. पागल हो गई. अबे हानिया पागल हो गई है क्या? अरे अभी हम तो जा रहे हैं, किधर जा रहे हैं? अरे पागल हो गई है.
Raise your eyebrows.
हानिया ये डॉग वाला काम ना किया करो. अल्लाह ने इंसान बनाया ना, तो मत ये किया करो. खूबसूरत नजर आते हो आप, फूल लगा दो सर पे, वो एक और चीज है, लेकिन अपनी शक्लें बिगाड़ना ये गलत बात है.
मामा ये ठीक है ना, इसमें तो मैं अच्छी भी लग रही हूँ.
इससे पीछे वाले में नहीं अच्छी लगती.
स्ट्रॉबेरी वाला
नहीं नहीं, वो जो पहले फूल है.
मामा ब्रेड ठीक है.
हानिया thanks.
This lady has the nerve to come up to me and say, "You're cute." Bitch, I know.
Dory? Yes. Dory? Yes. Dory? Yes. Dory! Yes. You and I were friends! No.
I hate it when people ask you when you're hungry. It's like, is that even a question? I'm always hungry.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
I can. Who is this?
I'm in California dreaming.
That's nice, but I don't know who you are.
'Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
I'm gonna sing a song whenever you're ready.
Bitches be like, that's your boyfriend? Yeah, bitch, that's my boyfriend. And I'll smack the right out your mouth.
Stuff like एक ट्रेन नहीं छुट्टी नहीं. Thank you बाबा जी. अंदर आ गई हूँ मैं. अब तो मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो. इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ मैं.
Oh! Hi. How'd you get in here? I used the hammer. What do you mean you used the hammer? I broke your door down. You broke my... I love you.
Everybody, hurry up, hurry up. He's about to say his first words. Damn, Daniel.
He dumped me, but I'm totally fine. I decided to just take this time to work on me. I'm doing great.
Me, nigga.
This bitch called me ugly. I said, bitch, swear. She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, swear.
I am the league's director, Silas Ramsbottom.
Bottom.
Hilarious. Stay down, nigga.
Bitch, don't call me ugly. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, never mind. You right. You got that.
Hey, Minama, मेरी डिक्शनरी में impossible का शब्द ही नहीं.
अच्छा? कहाँ से खरीदी ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी? और की एक नंबर का कुत्ती कमीने मतलब ऑपरेशन से तू
क्या कहती
मुझे चोट के भाग जाती है?
समझने की कोशिश करो.
क्या समझ?
वो.
क्या वो?
अरे को.
क्या को?
Are you high or just incredibly stupid?
My name is Jeff.
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What?
'Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
Are you looking for something?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
We Jump Street.
Oh my God, thank you so much for the... Excuse me. Thank you for the... I really don't know what's going on, but thank you so much for the...
Stop. Drop it, drop it. You got everybody in here. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, this is Hania Aamir, and guess who's walking for Bunkeria at this FPW?
I love you, मीरा संध्या। मैंने आज तक किसी रिलेशनशिप को इतना सीरियसली नहीं लिया। तुम्हें कनाडा में इतनी बॉडी कहीं नहीं मिलेगी।
Oh my God.
सबका यही रिएक्शन होता है। Oh my God.
Some of you still don't know if this is a real account or not. It is. I'm real. I am very real. A little fake like the eyebrows, but real.